Welcome. In front of me is an ID2ME ID1 phone, and I'll show you how to do a hard reset through settings. So we'll start off by opening up the settings, then go down till you see backup and reset, and from here we'll just tap on factory data reset and choose reset phone and erase everything. And now the phone will begin to remove all personal data. So give it a moment and I'll be back once that's finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished. And you can go to the setup of the device as you like. And yeah. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.